Hello students, this is exercise 13.2 from chapter 13 exponents and powers. Will see some questions like question first and fifth parts. First part 3 to the power 2 multiplied by 3 to the power 4 multiplied by 3 to the power 8. Now here we need to use the laws of exponents and we have to give our answer in exponential form. So here I know this law that when I am having my bases same and powers are different or not, we are not bothered about it, but if I'm having my bases same, then I can add their powers. Here you can see I'm having 3 as my base, so I can add their powers in multiplication. Right, so using this I have done this. 2 plus 4 plus 8, that is 3 to the power 14. Now part 5th. For this question also, we know a rule that a to the power m to the whole power n is equals to a to the power m multiplied by n. That means I can multiply their powers when they are in this form. So here I can multiply 2 and 3. So 5 to the power 2 multiplied by 3 divided by 5 raised to the power 3. Now 2 multiplied by 3 is 6, so I am getting 5 raised to the power 6 divided by 5 raised to the power 3. Again we know a rule that for division when the bases are same I can subtract their powers, that is m minus n. So here also I am doing the same. 5 is my base for both of them, for numerator as well as for denominator. So I can take 5 as my base and subtract their powers. I'll be getting 5 raised to the power 3. Question number 2, first part, we need to simplify this and again give our answers in exponential form. So how will I simplify? Simply I'll expand it first. Like 2 raised to the power 3, we know that the number of times I'm having my power, those number of times I'll multiply my base. So 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Similarly 4 times I multiply 3, and for 4 I have expanded it like this. 2 into 2 is 4. That is why I have written 2 into 2 in place of 4. Divided by 3 multiplied by 32. See, now I have expanded 32 here, like 2 1s is 2 and 2 6 is 12, 2 8s is 16, then 2 4s is 8, 2 2s is 4 and 2 1s is 2. So 1 2 3 4 5 times I'm getting 2. I have written 1 2 3 4 5 times here 2. Now I can cancel these 2, 1 2 3 4 5 2's here. See, I can cancel 5 2's. So what is left? What is left? Only these 3's are left. Oh, I can also cancel this 3 by one of these 3's. So I'm now left with these 3 3's. 3 times of 3. So 3 times of 3 is, you know, in power how we change it? 3 raised to the power 3. Okay. Now 10th part. Here no numbers are given, but a is given as a variable, as a base. So bases are same. Let it be a number, let it be a variable, but see that the bases are same. So I can apply the rules in this form also. I know that when I divide same bases and powers, then I can subtract their powers. So here also I'll subtract 5 minus 3, so this will become something like this, multiplied by what is left here, a to the power 8. For multiplication also I know that the powers get added. So here you can see in this step, a raised to the power 2 plus 8 equals to a raised to the power 10 is my answer. Now question number 3, first part. Here the question is asking that say true or false and justify your answer. I have justified my answer here, that we know when I multiply same bases, again the powers get added, so a to the power m plus n. Here also I have my bases same as 10, so I can add their powers. Here the power is 1, so 1 plus 11 to the base 10, okay, becomes 10 raised to the power 12 according to the exponential law. But this is not equals to this. You can see the difference, okay, and you can calculate if you wish to. So this is false. Now for this, acha, by the way, here you can change it in the base 10 also, because you know that 10 into 10 is 100. 10 into 10 is 100, so you know that 10 raised to the power 2 is 100, and you can write it like this also, then it will become 10 raised to the power 22. You can see that here it is 10 raised to the power 12, and here it is 10 raised to the power 22. So yes, it is false. Question number 4, first part. The question is asking the answer in exponential form of their prime factors. So simply we'll find the prime factors of these, and like for 108 and 192 I have mentioned over here, you know how to do it, and then I'm getting their factors like this. Now see, these both numbers are in multiplication, so I can multiply their factors as well. Now I'll count that I'm getting 2 and 3 numbers here. So how many times I'm getting 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. So I'll write 2 raised to the power 8 multiplied by 3 how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So 3 raised to the power 4, and this is my answer. And question 5 part first, we need to simplify it. So for this, what I'll do, I'll again use the law that you know, a to the power m to the power n is equals to a to the power m multiplied by n. So I have multiplied 5 and 2 here. 2 raised to the power, this will become 10. 2 raised to the power 10, and this is left like this only. This is again like left like this only. Now see, in this step, 2 raised to the power 10 I've got. Now you can see that here 7 is the base common, and also here I can get 2 as the base common. How? You know that 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 is 8. You can find the prime factors of 8, right? 2 fours is 8, 2 twos is 4, and 2 ones is 2. This is how I'm getting this. So I can write in this form 8 in this form, and I'm already having power 3, so I'll put power 3. Now I'll write this in exponential form, so this will become 2 raised to the power 3, and I was already having one more power, that is 3. So this is what I've got over here. I have changed 8 for the base of 2 so that I can apply exponential laws. And here then I have separated this 7 so as to apply law, because 7 as a base is same in the numerator as well as in the denominator. So in the next step we are getting in the next step we are getting this and this, and again we know the law for the division. I can subtract their powers for the base 2, I can subtract their power for the base 7. Here you know that the power is 1 already, so 10 minus 9 is left 1, and 3 minus 1 is left 2. So 2 multiplied by 7 raised to the power 2. Now I need to simplify, I need to find the answer for this. So now nothing is left to cancel or to apply law for, so we'll finally find the value of this 2 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. So 7 to the is 14, and 14 sevens is 98. This is my answer. Rest you can solve the parts like this only.